It's a custom keyboard that I built. Um, it's all custom. I got really into custom building keyboards, and I really want to make more. It's a GMMK Pro case. I'm gonna give the nerdy specs to anyone who cares. GMMK Pro case with a foam mod. I want to take it apart and put in a tape mod as well, because I built more keyboards for my friends, and I put a tape mod in Jacob's, and that's like the best sounding keyboard I made, so I'm gonna put in a tape mod. Boba U4T lube switches. I know that the company says you don't need to lube it, but I wanted to, and I like it. And the key caps are just a random set I found on Etsy. They're not like the best keycaps.